Today I'm cooking a simple herb and garlic pork leg. This is a relaxed, no rush roast. It's built on good seasoning, steady cooking and proper resting. Before we start, take your pork out of the fridge. It needs to rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. In our bowl, we're going to add extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, black pepper, garlic granules, rosemary, thyme and smoked paprika. Mix everything together till it forms a loose paste. Grab a few pieces of kitchen roll and pat the pork dry. The dry meat roasts better and takes on seasoning properly. If the pork isn't already scored, lightly score the surface, just shallow cuts. Now it's time to get your hands messy. Rub the seasoning all over the pork, making sure every surface is coated. Take your time here. This is where the flavour's built. Now let's prepare our veg. I'm going to throw in 2 carrots, 1 large onion and 1 leek. I'm going to peel and cut my veg into nice chunky pieces and throw them into the pan. These will help to form the base of a delicious gravy. I'm also going to add 1 OXO cube, 2 cups of water. We can add more later. There's no rush here. Turn your oven on to 220 degrees and let it warm up. I'm using a fan-assisted oven. Put the pork into the oven for 30 minutes at 220. After 30 minutes, we're going to reduce the temperature down to 180. We're going to let this roast for around another 70 to 80 minutes. Once the pork comes out the oven, don't rush it. Rest the pork uncovered. At this point, you can strain the vegetables to separate the gravy. This has been resting for around 20 minutes. It's time to slice. I'm going to be using this pork 2 ways. I'm going to cut out some slices for a potato dinner, and I'm also going to be chopping up some pieces for some delicious pork wraps. Now let's build a wrap. Place some pork into your wrap. It's entirely up to you how packed you want it. Now I'm going to spoon in some of that delicious gravy. I'm also going to add some vegetables to my wraps, as I'm the only one who will eat them. This is simple roasting done properly. No tricks, just patience, seasoning and time. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, do me a favour, hit that like and subscribe button. And I hope you get a chance to cook something you enjoy this week.